I live in Cambridge, a city known worldwide for its outstanding university. I'm proud to say that I'm a student of the university's Trinity College, which has won more Nobel Prizes than most countries. In fact, only the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, and France have won more. Cambridge is located on the River Cam, approximately 50 miles north of London, and immediately south of the Fens, a low-lying area of marshland which is just 10 to 20 meters above sea level. You can arrive by train from London King's Cross Station in less than an hour. Today, about 150,000 people live in the city. The city's history stretches back centuries. It served as an important trading hub during the Roman and Viking eras, and in the Middle Ages, with the founding of the University of Cambridge, it became one of the most important seats of learning in the world. More recently, Cambridge was the birthplace of the rules of football. Established in 1209, the University of Cambridge is the world's third oldest university in continuous operation. Its great rival is the slightly older University of Oxford, with which it shares many features. Indeed, the two universities are often referred to jointly as Oxbridge. Since 1856, Oxford and Cambridge have contested the annual university boat race on the River Thames. Hundreds of thousands of people watch the race from the riverbank, and millions more watch it live on television. I'm pleased to say that Cambridge has won more races than Oxford, and also holds the course record. The University of Cambridge runs 8 important museums, the most famous of which is the Fitzwilliam Museum. But the university's contribution to knowledge doesn't stop there. Cambridge University is home to not one, but 116 libraries, holding an astonishing 16 million books. Some of the most influential people in British and world history studied at Cambridge, among them Charles Darwin, Stephen Hawking, Vladimir Nabokov, Isaac Newton, and Alan Turing. Today, most of the historic towns and cities in England have their own universities. Why then has Cambridge been described as perhaps the only true university town in the country? It's because so many of the city's most famous buildings and landmarks, from King's College Chapel to the Bridge of Sighs and the Botanic Gardens, belong to the university. A visit to the city is incomplete and almost impossible without wandering through the university grounds, admiring the spectacular architecture and soaking up the scholarly atmosphere. Another unmissable experience when you visit Cambridge is punting on the River Cam. A punt is a flat-bottomed boat designed for shallow water. The punter, who steers the boat, drives it forward by pushing a long pole into the riverbed. It's fun to try yourself, but most tourists prefer to book a punting tour so they can sit back, enjoy the view, and learn all about the city while their tour guide takes care of the punting. A trip down the river is the best way to take in what are known as the backs, the picturesque gardens and lawns behind the university colleges. You'll pass under a series of spectacular bridges, including the famous Bridge of Sighs at St. John's College, which of course takes its name from the Bridge of Sighs in Venice. It's no less beautiful. What else is there to say about Cambridge? Well, besides the university, the city is also home to a growing number of software, electronics, and biotechnology businesses. In recognition of its similarity in this respect to Silicon Valley in California, Cambridge and the surrounding area are sometimes referred to as Silicon Fen. The city also has a lively culture scene and hosts various festivals throughout the year, including the annual Strawberry Fair Music and Arts Festival and the Cambridge Beer Festival. The peak season for tourism is between June and August. If you want to escape the crowds and still enjoy pleasant weather when you visit, the best months to come are May, when you can see the college gardens in bloom, and September. That doesn't mean it won't rain, of course. Cambridge is in England after all. But it was once named the driest city in the country, so you have as good a chance of avoiding the rain as you can get.